Have you ever wondered what truly timeless beauty looks like without filters, without fancy labels, and without overcomplicated routines? In this video, you'll discover 10 surprising beauty secrets that are simple, effective, and quietly powerful. They're not about perfection, they're about glow. Let's dive in. Ice Water Splash, the instant skin tightener. Start your morning by splashing your face with ice-cold water or dunking it into a bowl filled with water and a few ice cubes. This trick stimulates circulation, tightens pores, and wakes up your skin like nothing else. It also gives you that fresh, depuffed look that's hard to fake. The bonus? It can reduce redness and bring down inflammation fast. Models and beauty insiders swear by this cold ritual, and once you try it, you might too. Pillow positioning, the overnight depuffer. Here's a bedtime tip most people don't think about: sleep with your head slightly elevated. By simply adding an extra pillow or adjusting your pillow angle, you can reduce morning puffiness, especially around your eyes and cheeks. Why? Because gravity helps drain fluid that tends to accumulate overnight. Combine this with a consistent sleep schedule, and your face will start looking more rested, naturally. Skin brushing, the forgotten glow booster. Before your shower, gently brush your dry skin with a soft bristled body brush in long strokes toward your heart. This ancient beauty practice boosts lymphatic flow, improves circulation, and removes dead skin cells. Over time, it can help improve skin texture, even out tone, and reduce the appearance of dullness or uneven patches. No exfoliating scrubs needed. Tongue scraping, the clear skin connection. It may sound odd, but cleaning your tongue every morning isn't just good for your breath, it's a powerful skin-clearing ritual. The mouth is closely connected to your gut, and your gut is linked to your skin. By removing toxins and bacteria from your tongue first thing in the morning, you support digestion and reduce internal stress that can show up on your face. It's a tiny habit with surprising beauty benefits. Green tea mist, calm, hydrate, refresh. Brew a cup of green tea, let it cool completely, and pour it into a spray bottle. Now you've got a natural facial mist that calms irritation, tones your skin, and delivers antioxidants directly to your face. Use it as a toner after cleansing, a refresher during the day, or a gentle after-sun soother. It's like a spa moment in a bottle, and it costs next to nothing. Night showers as a sensory ritual. There's something magical about ending your day with a warm, intentional shower, not just to cleanse your body, but to soothe your senses. A short evening shower helps signal your nervous system that it's time to rest, while also giving you the opportunity to exfoliate, shave, or deeply nourish your skin with oils and creams. Especially when using slightly damp skin, your products will absorb much better, leaving your skin smooth and hydrated by morning. This simple habit can dramatically improve skin texture over time, especially if done consistently. The thumb cleanup, a nail hack. Painting your nails at home? Here's a game changer. Keep your thumbs polish-free until the very end and use the edge of your clean thumb dipped in remover to gently clean up the other fingers. It's precise, effective, and doesn't require any fancy tools. It's like having your own tiny eraser, and once you master this trick, your at-home manicure will look professionally done every time. Juicing for cellular hydration. Juicing isn't just a wellness trend, it's a way to hydrate your cells more effectively than plain water. Fresh juices made from celery, ginger, carrots, and a touch of apple provide structured fluids, which your body can absorb more easily. It's especially helpful if you struggle with dry skin, poor digestion, or inflammation. Just one small juice in the morning can transform how your skin and gut feel for the rest of the day. The evening lotion plus lymph massage combo. Don't just slap on lotion and call it skincare. Turn it into a ritual by combining it with a gentle lymphatic drainage massage. While applying lotion after your shower, use upward strokes toward your heart, especially on your arms, belly, and legs. This supports detoxification, reduces bloating, and gives your skin a firmer, lifted appearance. Bonus, it's deeply relaxing before bed. Skin-focused hydration, not just moisturizing. One of the most overlooked beauty habits? Supporting your skin's barrier with proper hydration. This doesn't mean layering dozens of creams, but using a well-timed combination. Apply your lotion or oil right after your shower, when your skin is still damp. This locks in moisture and supports the skin's natural repair process overnight. If you're consistent, you'll notice fewer dry patches, less sensitivity, and a smoother texture. Bonus hack number 1, use a glass foot file, not a scraper. Forget harsh scrubbing tools that damage your skin. A simple glass foot file gently smooths rough skin without irritation. It feels like nothing's happening at first, but after a few strokes, your heels are baby soft. It's a safe, mess-free alternative to old-school pumice stones or electric grinders and makes a visible difference within minutes. Bonus hack number 2, stack your beauty habits. Don't just do one thing at a time, stack your beauty habits. Do your face massage while cleansing. Do lymph drainage while moisturizing. Use your shower as your moment to exfoliate, shave, and hydrate. Stacking creates momentum, saves time, and turns everyday routines into powerful rituals. You'll be amazed how much more consistent and effective your self-care becomes. And now, ask yourself this. Which of these beauty secrets felt surprisingly simple, yet powerful? Which one are you most excited to try, maybe tonight already? And what if just one of these habits could shift how you feel in your skin, for good? Remember, beauty isn't about perfection. It's about awareness. The small things you do with love and intention, those are the things that glow. If this video gave you even one idea you want to try, give it a like and subscribe to this channel. Let's keep exploring the hidden wisdom of natural beauty together. And if you've got your own little beauty secret, leave it in the comments. I read them all. See you in the next video. Until then, stay radiant, stay curious.